So here we are at what is officially the front of Ivy Cottage here on Charlotte Street. Our clients mainly use this as more like a rear garden area, to be fair. We have got some beautiful raised borders here. Got the gravelled, low maintenance garden with the patio area. Now on Charlotte Street we have a gate there which leads all the way through, and the houses have to give right away for ourselves here to get up and down. Our clients don't use this, and they use the door from the kitchen simply because it's easier to do so, and it takes us straight into the house itself. But this is such a wonderful property. So quiet round here in Chapeltown as well. We've got St Anne's Church just behind us, so very quiet. Actually just over the way we've got the old Boltonians football pitch, so yeah, lovely quiet spots. Chatham Arms pub. We're only probably a couple of miles away from Bromley Cross train station as well, so commuting is wonderful. But let's go in and take a look at this super property and the accommodation it has on offer. Welcome into Ivy Cottage on Charlotte Street in Chapeltown. So we're stepping foot from the front through the front door here, and we've got this beautiful mosaic floor there, amtico flooring which stretches all the way through to the kitchen, which we'll have a look at shortly, and this lovely door with the leaded light and stained glass window there. Lovely feature. The rest of the windows downstairs are certainly UPVC, as are upstairs, and all double glazed. We've got this multi-fuel burner, which according to our clients is staying with the property as well, to warm ourselves in those lovely wintry days. And this room is such a wonderful size, got lovely tall ceilings, and as we walk through, as you can see, it's all open plan. We've got a double glazed window there, and also another one here in the dining area. It's all open plan with the amtico flooring again, and of course loads of room here for dining and entertaining. I mean, that's a large table there, and there's 8 seats where you could easily fit four more people without any issue. So you can see what a super-sized room this is. And as we walk through, we have got the stairs which lead to the first floor, which we'll look at very shortly. This is actually an extension which was done a few years ago, and the amtico flooring follows through into here. The lovely granite worktops, and what I would class really as a farmhouse style kitchen. And we've got those double glazed skylights, and of course the double glazed window there to the side. Lovely door there. Belfast sink, which is great. Here, the multi-fuel oven burner range, that is staying with the property. We've also got an integrated slimline dishwasher, integrated washing machine and dryer, which of course is staying there. If I turn round, we've got the fridge freezer, that's not staying. However, prior to that fridge freezer, there was an American fridge freezer there in that spot. So there is plumbing, I believe, according to our clients, for American fridge freezer. So there is a water point there for ice, etc. when you plug it all in. Really is a lovely home, this. As we turn round, plenty of room for entertaining, as we see. Let's go and have a look at the first floor. So here we are on the first floor. So we've got 2 bedrooms here to show you. The first bedroom, what a wonderful size this is. As you can see, we've got plenty of fitted wardrobe space here. And if I turn round, that ain't a small bed, and look at all the room you've got in and around that. So absolutely fantastic. And those lovely views over the churchyard there, showing how quiet this area is. Really lovely village setting. So back out onto the landing, and just before we go into the second bedroom, just above us we have loft access that has a pull down ladder and the stairs are all boarded. Sorry, the loft itself are all boarded, which is great. Second bedroom, lovely. Recently fitted carpets, as we can see. Fitted wardrobes with inset lighting. Daughter used to have a king-size bed here, so that used to fit just as we are here. So you can see plenty of room and all very, very nicely done. With, again, views over a very quiet street and scenery there. And finally, on the first floor, we do have a lovely bathroom. As you can see, we've got the wall-mounted vertical ladder radiator just here. Lovely tiled floor with the sink, the WC of course, and the bath. Again, lovely tiled splashback with that shower head there, and you can hear the extractor just above us there as well. And the double glazed window there. Okay, let's go and have a look at the rear of the property. So after having a look inside, here we are looking from the exterior of Ivy Cottage here, just off Charlotte Street. And again, you know, the area itself is super. We've got the churchyard there, it's very quiet. We've got old Boltonians over there, football pitches, so it's a lovely, lovely spot. Just wanted to explain really about the size of the property here. Now, our clients actually have this land on licence from the church. So literally where the parking is, and of course the low maintenance garden area, which is everything our clients have done, they do license this from the church. So any prospective new purchaser is going to need to look into that license and of course make arrangements with the church to do the same as our clients at the moment. But it's not just that land there. Here they also have this land on licence as well. So parking wise, again, upon agreement with the church, you've got loads of it. The garage here actually belongs to the property, but again, the land it sits on is on licence from the church. It really is a wonderful place to live. Very, very quiet. And as we're walking round to the back of the property, we'll be able to see that it has been extended. And like I said at the beginning of the video, they don't use what would be the front door, they mainly use here the back door. So we've got, you know, obviously low maintenance small yard here, but they've made the most of the accommodation by extending out here and creating that fantastic kitchen which we saw beforehand, and also the entertainment and living area. It really is a lovely home. And for any further information, and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.